Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading, writing, ABCD, okay? Blue color, black color, light pink color, red color, violet color, light green color, white color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, sea green color, brown color, green color, A, red color, A for apple, A for apple. B, yellow color, B for ball, B for ball. C for cow, C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for pen, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat, R for rat. S for sister, S for sister. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.